How to fix PS5 Error WS-116328-1. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS5 Error WS-116328-1. 1. If an error occurs during your console update, restart your network equipment and PS5, then try to update again. 2. If possible, try another update method other than via the internet, install PS5 Update offline. To do so, download PS5 system software to a USB drive via a computer that can connect to the internet. 3. If you cannot connect your system to the internet, you can also update it by some game, disk, or PS5.